Hello, it's Ruby. Today I will show you how to script a notification message. The notification message will pop up in the bottom right corner of a player's screen. Let's get started. Start by inserting a local script into the starter GUI. I will speed up the scripting and explain what the script does afterwards. Here is a version of the script with every line explained. I suggest you to try to understand the script so you can get better at scripting. Let's test if this works. It should print "They like candy," and it did. Okay, this works. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the bell.